Have you ever wondered, the same car, the same engine, but in the US, people use 0W-20, while in Europe and many other countries they use 5W-30? Does this make your car burn more fuel, reduce engine life, or even cause damage if you choose wrong? And this is where a lot of myths start. If you've ever been intimidated by a garage or seen ads claiming 100 engine test, you know the feeling. So much information, but which is actually true, and which is just a trick to make you reach for your wallet? The truth is, misunderstanding motor oil is why many people waste money. Choosing the wrong oil speeds up engine wear, increases fuel consumption, and ages seals and gaskets prematurely. Then, when the car has problems, you pay the garage extra. And of course, they won't remind you that it all started with picking the wrong oil. The most important thing to remember? There's no best oil. Only the oil that best suits your car, your climate, and how you drive. A Minnesota winter is not the same as a Texas summer. A hybrid doesn't need the same oil as an F-150 towing a trailer. So, to understand the difference between 0W-20 and 5W-30 and know which one is right for your car, keep watching. If you've ever wondered why some videos or articles claim 0W-20 is always better than 5W-30, while your neighbor's car runs perfectly with the opposite, it's time to know the truth. No oil is universal, and choosing the wrong type can cost you fuel, increase engine wear, and give you another moment of silent crying when the garage charges you. First, let's remind, 0W-20 is common in the US, while 5W-30 is preferred in many other countries. Each oil is designed with its own priority. One optimizes fuel economy, the other protects the engine across a wider temperature range. Understanding this difference helps you choose correctly instead of chasing viral clips or flashy but baseless ads. 0W-20 is a reliable companion for modern cars and hybrids, balancing engine protection with fuel savings. To understand this oil, let's decode the 0W-20 label. The 0 before the W indicates extremely low cold viscosity. Oil flows immediately, protecting the engine in the first seconds of startup. W stands for winter, highlighting performance in cold conditions. The number 20 refers to viscosity at normal operating temperature, showing the oil remains thick enough to lubricate effectively when the engine is hot. Simply put, the lower the number, the thinner the oil, the faster it flows, reducing internal friction. This makes 0W-20 ideal for frequent cold starts or regions with mild winters. It protects the engine from cold start wear and saves fuel by reducing friction, especially in modern and hybrid engines. Real-world oil analyses show cold start wear reduced by about 40% compared to 5W-30, enough for drivers to feel confident about engine durability while saving hundreds of dollars over several years. In short, 0W-20 isn't just a basic lubricant. It's a flexible engine oil that withstands harsh conditions, maintains stable viscosity, and minimizes friction, keeping the car running smoothly regardless of outside conditions. That's why it's the standard for modern cars and hybrids in the US. Effective protection plus optimized fuel economy, the two things any smart car owner cares about. Conversely, 5W-30 is the silent hero under harsh conditions, from freezing winters to long, hot drives. Let's decode its label. The 5 indicates cold viscosity. It flows well at low temperatures, ensuring safe startup, though not as smooth as 0W-20 on icy New York mornings. W highlights winter performance, and 30 indicates high-temperature viscosity, maintaining a stable oil film to protect pistons, bearings, and other key engine parts. This makes 5W-30 preferred for diesel engines, turbocharged engines, or European cars operating under diverse climates and loads. When the engine heats up, its thicker viscosity provides effective protection, reduces wear, and prevents overheating, especially on long Autobahn drives or under Barcelona's blazing sun. Not only does it lubricate, it helps maintain fuel efficiency and extends engine life, a quiet but vital investment. Real-world oil analyses confirm 5W-30's wear resistance, keeping engines durable in extreme conditions. In other words, it's a high-performance multi-grade oil, safe cold starts, effective lubrication, and protection across a wide temperature range, from freezing winters to scorching summer trips. This versatility makes 5W-30 the standard for engines that need comprehensive, stable protection. To help you visualize, here's a quick comparison table. Cold viscosity-wise, 0W-20 flows extremely fast, even below and 22 degrees, protecting the engine in cold starts. 5W-30 is still low viscosity, flows to 13 degrees, allowing safe startup, though less advantageous in extreme cold. Hot viscosity-wise, 0W-20 is light, suitable for modern engines needing light lubrication. 5W-30 is thicker, maintaining a strong oil film to protect parts under high temperature or heavy load. About temperature range, 0W-20 works well from 40 degrees to 104 degrees, ideal for extremely cold regions. 5W-30 works from 22 degrees to 104 degrees, adequate for most conditions but less ideal in extreme cold. About common uses, 0W-20 for modern cars, hybrids, fuel-efficient vehicles, 5W-30 for cars, SUVs, light trucks, gasoline, and diesel engines. And lastly, load capacity. 0W-20 is weaker, not recommended for heavy loads or older cars. 5W-30 is stronger, better for high loads and harsh operation. As you can see, no oil is universally better. Each suits specific conditions and technical requirements. Choosing wrong due to flashy ads or viral videos will cost you in performance, engine life, and money. In summary, 0W-20 is optimized for cold starts and fuel savings, while 5W-30 provides better protection at high temperatures and under heavy loads. Now that you understand each oil's pros and cons, the next question is, why does the same engine get 0W-20 recommended in the US, but 5W-30 in other countries? That's the next step you can't miss if you want the full story and to avoid wasting money on myths. If you've ever wondered why the same car model, the same engine, is recommended to use 0W-20 in the US, but 5W-30 in Europe or Japan, now is the time to clear up that mystery. The answer doesn't lie in, this oil is better than that one, but in three key factors: climate, technical standards of each market, and the type of car along with driving habits. First, let's talk about climate and environmental conditions. The US has many states ranging from mild cold to temperate, with very few areas experiencing extreme temperatures that would cause oil to solidify. That's why 0W-20, with its very low cold viscosity and ability to flow almost instantly at startup, becomes the perfect companion for cold starts. This is especially useful for drivers who frequently start and stop their cars throughout the day, as it reduces wear during the crucial first seconds of engine operation. Beyond protecting the engine, 0W-20 also helps improve fuel efficiency, a strategy American engineers often use to optimize hybrids and modern gasoline engines. In other words, it's not just about lubrication, it's about making the engine run smoother while saving fuel. In contrast, Europe and Japan experience more extreme seasonal variations: long, cold winters, hot summers, and in some areas, both within the same year. Driving habits also differ. Diesel vehicles with heavier loads, turbocharged engines, and long-distance commuting or highway driving are common. In this context, 5W-30 becomes the silent hero. Its higher viscosity allows it to form a stronger protective film around pistons, bearings, and other critical engine components, ensuring the engine can handle heavier loads and endure harsher operating conditions. To visualize the difference, a Prius in New York starts smoothly with 0W-20 during a cold morning, but a European diesel cruising hundreds of miles on the Autobahn under scorching summer heat really depends on 5W-30 to maintain protection and durability. Next, technical standards and local regulations play a decisive role in oil recommendations. In the US, automakers follow API and DEXOS standards, which favor low-viscosity oils to reduce friction, enhance fuel economy, and lower emissions. Meanwhile, Europe uses ACEA, MB 229.5, and other standards, which emphasize oil viscosity sufficient to protect diesel and turbo engines, particularly under variable temperature conditions. Therefore, the same car may use 0W-20 in the US, but 5W-30 in Europe or Japan, not because one region is smarter, but because the technical requirements and testing conditions differ. The third key factor is the type of vehicle and how it's driven. Many American cars are hybrids or newer gasoline models, typically used for highway driving, where fuel efficiency is a priority and extreme high-temperature protection is less critical. On the other hand, European and Japanese cars often include turbocharged or diesel models, sometimes used for short trips with heavy loads or diverse terrain conditions. In these cases, 5W-30 is recommended because it ensures a wide range of protection and supports longer engine life under stress. Real-world data reinforces these recommendations. After 1 year of use, American cars using 0W-20 show smoother cold starts and reduce fuel consumption by approximately 3–5% compared to using 5W-30. Meanwhile, European cars using 5W-30 for heavy-duty diesel engines maintain durability in pistons, bearings, and seals, reducing wear over long-term operation. The key takeaway: this isn't about better oil in a general sense. It's about using oil that matches the operating environment, vehicle design, and technical standards. As you can see, the story isn't simply about which oil is better. It's about choosing the right oil for your engine, climate, driving habits, and local standards. Keeping this in mind will help you make informed decisions, protect your engine, and avoid wasting money on unnecessary oil swaps. The next time you check your owner's manual or read a recommendation online, remember, it's not about trends or popularity, it's about what fits your car and your conditions best. When it comes to choosing engine oil, the goal isn't to turn you into a NASA engineer or a Toyota engine specialist. What we need is to help you understand one simple truth that many people still deliberately ignore. If you want your car to run reliably, smoothly, and not turn you into a regular at the repair shop, you have to rely on real data and the owner's manual. The first, and something many Americans don't want to hear, is that you must follow the manufacturer's guidance. It sounds boring, no drama, no flashy hacks, but it's 100% accurate. The owner's manual isn't a forgotten catalog in the glove box meant to add extra paperwork. It's the official document from the people who designed the engine you drive every day, the people who truly know what oil it needs, what viscosity, and what standards will keep it healthy for the next 100,000 to 200,000 miles. Yet, many still change from 0W-20 to 5W-30 just because Uncle in Texas said so. If you do that, congratulations. You just became a prime example for the "Why did my engine fail?" sections on car forums. A smarter way to care for your car, and what real car enthusiasts do, is to analyze your oil before and after an oil change. This is a secret weapon that serious vehicle maintainers use because it gives you what social media rarely does: the truth. No clickbait, no hype, no random guesses. Oil analysis will tell you how much your engine is wearing, whether water or fuel has leaked into the oil, and if the oil is still good or degraded. From there, you can decide whether to change viscosity, shorten your oil change intervals, or extend them a few thousand miles. This is the minimum level of attention if you want to care for your car like an adult, rather than leaving it to chance. Next, let's be blunt. Choosing oil based on brand or rumors is a little funny, but very common. Americans love fan wars, right? Ford versus Chevy, iPhone versus Android, Starbucks versus Dunkin'. But engine oil isn't a battlefield for picking sides. There is no best oil, only the one that fits best. Yet, many AI-generated videos still claim things like 0W-20 is too thin, or only 5W-30 can protect your engine. Their sole purpose is to get views. And if you actually believe that, better brace yourself for a repair bill that's anything but friendly. The right choice depends on 3 factors: what the manufacturer recommends, real-world data from your car's oil, and the environment where you drive. That's it. If you're still a bit lost, here's the roadmap that sums up the whole thing. It's easier for you to catch up. Step 1. Open the owner's manual. Identify the exact recommended oil according to SAE, API, ACEA. This is the most important foundation. Don't skip it. Step 2. Consider your vehicle type and usage conditions. Hybrid. Prioritize fuel efficiency. Diesel, ya turbocharged. Prioritize high-temperature protection. Mostly highway driving. Need oil with stable viscosity. Heavy loads. Prioritize oil that forms a thick lubricating film to protect the engine. Step 3. Oil analysis, if needed. Check wear levels, contamination, and the current condition of your oil to see if you need to adjust viscosity or oil change intervals. Step 4. Choose the oil. Not the most expensive one, but the one most suitable for your car, usage conditions, and manufacturer's recommendations. You see, simple, right? To make it clearer, here are some practical examples. If you live in Minnesota or North Dakota, where winters can be harsh, 0W-20 is a lifesaver. Its extremely low cold viscosity allows the oil to flow quickly in the first few seconds, arguably the most damaging moments, and keeps the engine starting smoothly instead of groaning like it's suffering. Conversely, if you're towing a trailer with an F-150 in the heat of Nevada summer or driving a Jeep across the desert, 5W-30 is a much smarter choice. Its thicker hot film protects the engine better, reduces wear, and keeps the car from breaking down mid-journey. The golden rule is simple. Oil must match the climate and load. Not emotions, not guesswork. Once you understand that principle, choosing oil becomes much easier. You start with the owner's manual, as any responsible adult should. Then look at your vehicle type, driving conditions, and, if necessary, perform an oil analysis to know the exact state of the engine. Then pick the oil that fits best, not the most expensive one, or the one with the most ads. Finally, when you see the whole picture, you'll realize that choosing the right oil isn't a brand race or about listening to whoever shouts the loudest. It's a combination of manufacturer guidance, climate, driving habits, and real-world engine data. Once you grasp these, you won't be swayed by rumors or irresponsible advice. That's when you're ready for the final step: how to protect your engine long-term, save fuel, and keep your car running as smoothly as the day you drove it off the showroom floor. So now we can clearly see. The same engine uses 0W-20 in the US and 5W-30 in Europe or many other countries. Not because one oil is stronger or better, but because the climate, technical standards, vehicle type, and driving habits are completely different. Choosing the right oil not only protects the engine better, but also saves fuel, reduces minor breakdown risks, and keeps your car running smoothly for many years. If you found this video helpful, please hit like, leave a comment with the type of car you drive, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more accurate, easy to understand, and highly practical car maintenance tips from us. Lastly, notice that the content in this video is based on publicly available information, vehicle manuals, and automotive studies. It is intended for educational and informational purposes only, not to promote any specific brand or product. Viewers should always cross-check information, follow manufacturer recommendations, and make their own informed decisions when it comes to vehicle maintenance. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.